Children, this is the second module. In this module, we are going to discuss what is the use of in and not in. So already we discussed what is the in and not in operator is called. It is nothing but membership operator. It is actually used in for loop. The operator in and not in is used in for loop to check whether the value is in the range, that is in the list or not. 5 in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is a list I had given. So the compiler or the interpreter will check it out. 5 will be presented in the list. If it is, it will return true. Otherwise, it will return false. Look at this. A in apple. It will return true. National in international. It will return true. So this is a comparison happens here for the string values. So we can use either list, string, tuple, whatever we use, the compiler or the interpreter will check whether the given value is present or not in the given list or in a string. Here I had given a program for checking whether a word is a part of a sentence or not. That is, you are getting a line from the user and you are getting any word from the user and you are checking if word in line. If yes, if true, you will print yes, word is present part of a line. Otherwise, it will print no, word is not a part of a line. My dear children, once again I am repeating, in is a membership operator to check a value is present in a string or a list or a tuple or a dictionary. Now coming to the for loop. For loop in Python is used to create a loop to process items of say any sequence like tuple, list, dictionary or string. It can also be used to create loop for fixed number of steps like 5 times, 10 times and n times etc. using range of function. My dear children, if you are using for loop, the repetition of same set of statements will happens again and again until the condition become false. Here one of the example for loop with a list. Here I had given school, principal, PGT, TGT and PRT. For SM in school, print SM. So SM is what? The value which is in the first one. That is, it will print principal. Then it will print PGT. Then it will print TGT. Then it will print PRT. So it will carry out the first value and for the first loop. Second value for the second loop. Third value for third loop. And it goes on. Look at the next one. For loop with a tuple. Code equal to 10 to 60 I had given. That is a tuple. CD in code. So it will print what? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. It will print the list elements one by one in each and every line. Let us understand how the loop works. If you are giving the code like this, how the loop works. First, it will create a tuple code. Then, the loop starts. It will pick the value one by one from the code as it assigned to CD. So, the first value of CD will be what? 10. So, CD will be 10. Then, so it will print 10. Then, CD become 20. So that it will print 20. So, for loop will automatically ends when the last item of the list is processed. That is, it will take the first element. For the second loop, it will take the second element. For the third loop, it will take the third element and goes on till the last element. If the interpreter reached the last element, it will automatically ends. The loop ends automatically when the list items will be end. I think you are all clear about how to use for loop. The further detailing will be in the next module. Thank you.